For centuries, we believed plants were silent, passive inhabitants of our planet. They were seen as mere background to the bustling life of animals and humans. Unable to move or make sounds, they seemed to exist in a world devoid of communication. Their stillness was mistaken for silence. We now know this is far from the truth. Plants speak a complex language, but they do not use words. Their communication is intricate and multifaceted. They use scents, tastes, and electrical signals. These signals can travel through the air, soil, and even through their own tissues. They communicate not only with each other, but also with insects and even with mammals. This interaction is crucial for their survival and reproduction. The discovery of plant communication has transformed our understanding of these fascinating organisms. It has opened up new fields of research and changed the way we view the natural world. Plants are not just passive receivers of information, they are active participants in a complex web of interactions. They adapt and respond to their environment in real time. They sense their environment, respond to threats, and even cooperate with their neighbors. This cooperation can enhance their growth and resilience, showcasing the sophisticated nature of plant life. One way plants communicate is through chemical signals. When a plant is attacked by an insect, it releases chemicals into the air. These chemicals act as warnings to nearby plants. The alerted plants then prepare for the attack. They may produce toxins in their leaves to deter the insects, or they might release chemicals that attract the insect's predators. Some plants use chemical signals to attract pollinators. They release sweet scents to attract bees, butterflies, and other insects. These insects carry pollen from one plant to another, helping the plants reproduce. This exchange of information is essential for the survival of both the plants and the insects. Plants also communicate through a vast underground network called the Wood Wide Web. This network is made up of plant roots and fungi. The fungi connect the roots of different plants, forming a complex underground web. Through this network, plants can share resources such as water and nutrients. They can also send warning signals about drought, disease, or insect attacks. This underground communication network is essential for the health of the entire forest. Trees can use the network to support their seedlings. They can even send nutrients to dying neighbors. The Wood Wide Web is a remarkable example of cooperation and communication in the plant world. Listening with roots beyond the chemical messages. Plants are incredibly sensitive to their surroundings. They can sense changes in light, temperature, and even gravity. Some scientists believe plants can also sense sound. There is evidence that plants can detect the sound of running water. Plants use this information to guide their growth. For example, a plant might grow its roots towards a source of water, or it might grow its stems towards the sunlight. While the ability of plants to respond to sound is still being studied, it is clear that plants use a variety of senses to gather information about their environment. The language of survival. Communication is essential for plant survival. Plants have developed intricate ways to interact with their environment and each other. By sending and receiving signals, plants can defend themselves against predators. These signals can be chemical, electrical, or even through the air. Sharing information about insect attacks helps plants prepare their defenses. This communication network allows them to compete for resources more effectively. Plants can use signals to outcompete their neighbors for water, nutrients, and sunlight. They can also support their offspring by sharing resources. Through the Wood Wide Web, mature trees can nourish their seedlings, increasing their chances of survival. This underground network is vital for maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Communication between plants contributes to the overall health and stability of the ecosystem. It ensures that the forest thrives as a whole. Understanding how plants communicate can help us protect them. By studying these interactions, we can learn how to better conserve our natural environments. For example, we can use our knowledge of plant defenses to develop more sustainable methods of pest control. This can lead to healthier crops and ecosystems. Unlocking the secrets of the silent world. In this journey, we delve into the fascinating realm of plant communication. a field that is still shrouded in mystery and wonder. The study of plant communication is still in its early stages. Scientists are only beginning to scratch the surface of how plants interact with each other and their environment. There is much we don't yet understand about how plants communicate. They use a variety of signals, from chemical to electrical, to convey information. For example, we're only beginning to unravel the complexities of the Wood Wide Web. This underground network allows plants to share resources and information. We are also just starting to explore the possibility that plants can sense and respond to sound. This could revolutionize our understanding of plant behavior. As we learn more about the secret language of plants, we are gaining a deeper appreciation for their intelligence and resilience. They adapt to their surroundings in ways we are just beginning to comprehend. Plants have developed remarkable ways to thrive in a challenging world. Their ability to adapt and survive is nothing short of extraordinary. By unlocking the secrets of plant communication, we can learn how to better protect these vital organisms and the ecosystems they support. This knowledge is crucial for the future of our planet.